What's up, guys? I'm here, welcome to my channel, and what is going on? It's been a while, so glad to be back. I can't believe it's been almost a year since I posted my last video, but life has been busy, and today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. I've done videos like this in the past, but I think it's time for an updated version of my top 10 casual outfits for men. Without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off with number 1, we have the white t-shirt and jeans combo. This is a classic for a reason. You really can't go wrong with this one. Make sure that your t-shirt fits well and isn't too baggy or too tight. And you also want to make sure that your jeans fit well too. A good pair of jeans will be tailored to your body type and they won't be too loose or too tight. For footwear, you can go with some classic white sneakers like Adidas Stan Smiths or some Converse Chuck Taylors. Number 2, black t-shirt and black jeans. Another classic combo is the black t-shirt and black jeans. This one is a little bit more edgy than the white t-shirt and jeans combo, but it's just as versatile. Again, make sure that your t-shirt and jeans fit well. And for footwear, you can go with some black boots like Chelsea boots or some high-top sneakers like Air Force Ones. Next up at number 3, we have the Oxford shirt and the sweater combo. This is a great combo for a more polished look. You can wear this to a nice restaurant or even to a wedding. Just make sure that your Oxford shirt is well fitted and your sweater isn't too bulky. For footwear, you can go with some brown leather shoes like brogues or some loafers. Number 4, we have the denim jacket and t-shirt combo. This is a great combo for a casual, relaxed look. You can wear this to a barbecue or to a picnic in the park. Just make sure that your denim jacket isn't too heavy or too stiff. For footwear, you can go with some brown boots like work boots or some desert boots. At number 5, we have the bomber jacket and hoodie combo. This is a great combo for a sporty, stylish look. You can wear this to the gym or to run errands around town. Just make sure that your bomber jacket isn't too big or too puffy. For footwear, you can go with some black sneakers like Adidas Ultra Boosts or some Nike Air Maxes. Number 6, chino pants and a polo shirt. This is a great combo for a preppy, sophisticated look. You can wear this to a job interview or to a first date. Just make sure that your chino pants are tailored to your body type and your polo shirt isn't too tight or too loose. For footwear, you can go with some brown loafers or some boat shoes. Next up at number 7, we have the cardigan and t-shirt combo. This is a great combo for a smart casual look. You can wear this to a party or to a night out with friends. Just make sure that your cardigan isn't too thick or too heavy. For footwear, you can go with some black leather shoes like Oxfords or some monk straps. Number 8, we have the blazer and t-shirt combo. This is a great combo for a sharp, sophisticated look. You can wear this to a business meeting or to a date night. Just make sure that your blazer is well fitted and your t-shirt isn't too graphic or too loud. For footwear, you can go with some brown brogues or some black Chelsea boots. Number 9, we have the hoodie and jogger pants combo. This is a great combo for a street style look. You can wear this to the club or to a concert. Just make sure that your hoodie isn't too oversized or too baggy. For footwear, you can go with some white sneakers like Air Jordans or some Adidas Superstars. And finally, at number 10, we have the shirt and tie combo. This is a great combo for a formal, sophisticated look. You can wear this to a wedding or to a business meeting. Just make sure that your shirt is well fitted and your tie isn't too wide or too narrow. For footwear, you can go with some black Oxfords or some monk straps. So there you have it, guys, my top 10 casual outfits for men. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you got some style inspiration. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. And if you have any outfit ideas for me, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.